This is a brand new 2014 Audi S6. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a front and rear multi-link suspension, a limited-slip differential, a sport-tuned suspension, cornering lights, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: 8-way power adjustable seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.